Hello! To change keyboard sound type on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all you'll have to go into the Galaxy Store and find yourself this application called Good and you'll have to install it first and then you simply open it. As you open this application, you will have to find this plugin called Keys Cafe, and it might be available somewhere on this list. You simply have to download it and then move into this Keys Cafe plugin. Wait for this Keys Cafe to load. And right now we have to confirm the permissions for this plugin, and from here we can make our own keyboard or style our own keyboard. Let's take a look at the style of our own keyboard. Right here we have to enable this style of our own keyboard and go into sounds. And right here we have a different touch sounds available, and as we press on this one we have the preview, so we simply select any style, any sound that we like, and right now where are we able to enable the keyboard? Right here we have that sound changed right now. So that's how to do it. Thank you for watching.